Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we will be discussing 15 interesting idioms for effective communication. Idioms are expressions that convey a figurative meaning, rather than a literal one. Using idioms can make your communication more colorful and interesting, and can help you convey complex ideas in a simpler way. So, let's cut to the chase. First in line is cut to the chase. This idiom means to get to the point, without wasting time on irrelevant details. Example, let's cut to the chase and discuss the main issue. Next up, all ears. This idiom means to be fully attentive and interested in what someone is saying. Example, I'm all ears, tell me more about your trip to Europe. Another interesting idiom, on the same page. This idiom means to be in agreement or have the same understanding. Example, I think we're on the same page about the new project deadline. Next idiom is, the elephant in the room. This idiom means an obvious problem or issue that nobody wants to talk about. Example, I know we're all avoiding the elephant in the room, but we need to discuss the budget shortfall. Next idiom is bite the bullet. This idiom means to endure a difficult situation. Example, I know this project is tough, but we just have to bite the bullet and get it done. Now, the ball is in your court. This idiom means that it's someone else's turn to take action. Example, I've given you all the information you need, now the ball is in your court. Next idiom is call it a day. This idiom means to stop working for the day. Example, let's call it a day and come back tomorrow. We're going to talk about a fun and useful idiom, a dime a dozen. This idiom means that something is common and easy to find. Example, those books are a dime a dozen. The next idiom is fit as a fiddle. This idiom means to be in good health. Example, I feel fit as a fiddle after my morning jog. Next in line is, give someone the cold shoulder. This idiom means to ignore or treat someone rudely. Example, she gave me the cold shoulder when I asked her out. The next idiom is, take a rain check. This idiom means to decline an invitation but suggests doing it another time. Example, I can't make it tonight, but can I take a rain check and join you next week? Next idiom, cry wolf. This idiom means to give a false alarm or exaggerate a situation. Example, he's always crying wolf about how busy he is, but he never actually does anything. Let's discuss this idiom, paint the town red. This idiom means to go out and have a great time. Example, let's paint the town red to celebrate our success. The last idiom, in a nutshell. This idiom means to summarize something briefly. Example, in a nutshell, the project is on track and we expect to finish on time. Idioms are an important part of the English language and they can make you sound more fluent and add some fun to your language skills. Thanks for watching, and we hope you learned something new today. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Keep practicing and expanding your English vocabulary.